For the 2020 model year, the Lexus RX and RXL have a more responsive steering and added multimedia options for smartphone and touchscreen integration. A range of interior and exterior enhancements build on the iconic luxury crossover's appeal and contribute to the reinvigorated design and function, key to discerning Lexus guests. New for 2020, the RX line is the first to receive Android Auto integration, in addition to in-car connected technology applications from Apple CarPlay and Amazon Alexa. Guests can seamlessly interact with their smart device of choice through familiar on-screen apps on the optional 12.3-inch touchscreen or standard 8-inch touchscreen in all 2020 RX models. Starting with the signature grille, a symbol of the Lexus brand and distinctive face of the vehicle, the designers created an elaborate look based on an L motif. Each individual block has a different shape and angle to create a varying form that balances a strong yet elegant image. The hand-drawn angles of the grille surround are also echoed at each corner of the bumper to smooth the visual flow. The Lexus Multimedia System touchscreen has been moved nearly 5.5 inches closer to the driver and offers control of both audio and climate systems, in addition to providing a view of what's behind the vehicle via the backup camera. Guests will have the option to choose between the standard 8-inch display and available 12.3-inch high-resolution split-screen multimedia display. With 2 additional USB ports, 6 total, new designated cell phone storage and smartphone integration, the new 2020 Lexus RX helps guests keep up with their fast-paced lives and stay connected on the go. In addition, the new Lexus app allows guests to do everything from starting their vehicle remotely with a smartphone to contacting dealers for a service appointment and much more. With an active subscription, the Lexus app dashboard provides a personalized view of convenient vehicle and connected service information, including the vehicle health report, scheduled maintenance and vehicle health alerts. Guests also can manage their subscriptions right from the palm of their hand. Dynamic voice command is featured on 2020 Lexus RX crossovers with the available 12.3-inch multimedia system. The voice recognition system can recognize millions more phrases than conventional Lexus systems. DVC offers greater accuracy, seamless address entry and expanded points of interest searches. The third-row seats of the RXL now feature two different seating positions. Being electronically adjustable, they add even more leg space, plus 95mm, when the situation demands it. The second-row seats of the RXL have been reconfigured to include captain seats, helping to create a spacious and comfortable cabin for rear seat occupants. Dynamic improvements have been achieved by giving the new RX a more rigid body, using laser screw welding, additional spot welds and high-strength adhesive at key points around the chassis. The suspension has been improved with a new, stiffer rear anti-roll bar, more rigid hubs, and the use of a new friction control device in the shock absorbers to further reduce high-frequency vibrations from small imperfections in the road surface. The adaptive variable suspension available for the new RX provides almost constantly variable damping control at each wheel. The new RX also gains active cornering assist, which automatically suppresses understeer if the driver steps on the throttle in mid-corner. The electric power steering has been retuned for a more linear steering feel and better line tracing faithful to the driver's intentions. The latest version of Lexus Safety System Plus provides additional protection to help prevent an accident happening or lessen the consequence if the vehicle is involved in an impact. The pre-collision system's functionality has been increased, with pedestrian detection by day and night and daytime detection of bicyclists in the car's path. In a world first, the new RX is available with a BladeScan adaptive high-beam system, which uses a rapidly rotating blade-shaped mirror to direct light from the LED headlamps. It provides finer and deeper automatic forward illumination, making it easier to see pedestrians on the road margins. It also operates with no risk of dazzling drivers of vehicles ahead. The new RX adopts the latest adaptive variable suspension technology, which allows for much finer control of damping force on each wheel to reduce shock and maintain a flat, comfortable ride, even on very rough roads and surfaces. Damping force is reduced at low speeds and increased at high speeds, reducing body roll and enhancing steering response. The actuator uses a linear solenoid located on the lower side of each shock absorber, below the spring. This design contributes to a lower bonnet line and less intrusion in the rear load space. The number of damping force levels has been increased to 650 to provide constantly variable damping. The result is smoother, quicker and more precise control in response to changes in road surface quality and the driving conditions. The system has a number of integrated functions, including roll posture control, anti-pitch control, repercussion control and roughness sensing control, to adapt TAV's performance to all road surfaces and driving dynamics. On models equipped with TAVs, the Drive Mode Select system adds Sport S, Sport S Plus and customized selectable drive modes, raising performance and driver rewards.